Number 21. What did the British do to reduce the landed aristocracy to poverty? Answer. The British economic exploitation, decay of indigenous industries, high taxations, the drain of wealth, stagnations of agriculture and exploitations of poor peasants reduce the landed aristocracy to poverty. 22. In what did the General Service Enlistment Act disregard the feeling of the Indian troops? The act hurt the sentiments of the sepoys because, according to the current religious beliefs of the Hindus, travel across the seas was considered a sin. This act caused great resentment in the minds of the personnel of the Bengal army. Number 23 mentions any two grievances harbored by the Indian soldiers which created an atmosphere favorable to the First War of Independence. Answer. Number 1. All higher posts were reserved for the British in employment and Indian soldier could not rise above the rank of Subedar. Number 2. Indian soldiers were required to serve in areas away from their homes without extra payment and additional vata (start foreign service allowances). 24. What impact did the defeat of the British in the First Afghan War have on the morale of the Indian soldiers? Answer. The defeat in the First Afghan War increased the self-confidence of the Indian soldiers who felt they could challenge the Britain in India too. Number 25. What was the immediate cause of the First War of Independence? Answer. The immediate cause of the uprising was the use of grease cartridges in the rifles after biting the end of the cartridges were greased with the fats of cow and pig. So both Hindus and Muslim soldiers refused to use these cartridges. Number 26. Who was Mangal Pandey? What did he do? Answer. Mangal Pandey was a Brahmin soldier who refused to use the grease cartridges on 29 March 1857 and killed 2 English officers. He was hanged. Consequently, this resulted in general uprising in Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow and Jhansi. 27. What was the result of the First War of Independence on the East India Company? Answer. The First War of Indian Independence ended the East India Company's rule in India since the British statesmen thought it unwise to leave the government of vast country in the hands of private trading company. Number 28. Who became the first Viceroy of India under the Act of 1858? Lord Canning. What assurance did the Queen's proclamations of 1858 give to the Indian people regarding A. religious freedom and B. appointment to public offices? Answer. A. The Queen in her proclamations of 1858 promised not to interfere with the religious belief of the people of India. B. Regarding the public appointments, she declared that the appointments would be strictly on the basis of education, civility and integrity. Number 30 and last questions. Mentions any 2 drawbacks of the First War of Independence. Answer. Number 1. The movement did not have common plans of military actions or a centralized leadership. The uprising in different parts of the country were completely uncoordinated. Number 2, the East India Company had the service of men exceptional abilities like Lawrence, Nicholson, Havelock, etc. They fought the toughest battles in the initial stages of the uprising and uncontrolled the situation till the reinforcements were received from abroad. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन यहीं तक था, यहीं तक और चैप्टर 1 का शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं है। तो चैप्टर 1 का जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन था तो वो सब फिनिश्ड हो गया है। नेक्स्ट अपलोड होगा ग्रोथ ऑफ नेशनलिज्म के बारे में, इसके जो सारे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है उसके ऊपर।